Hello everyone, I am here today to do an unboxing. It was a mystery gift from someone, and she's a pretty nice lady. Let's get started. You got Bird's Heirloom Treasure. You got Home for the Holidays. That's my cat going off. He does it every time I do a video because he's stupid. Then you got Take Time to Eat, Drink, and Be Merry, for tomorrow what we diet. It's a little heart. I think it's cute. Then we got napkin ring set. If there's no design on the canvas, I am going to do something for my baby on some of it. Then you got this little ring that helps with the canvas. Now this one's got something drawn on it, so I can't. Got the Winnie the Pooh Stitchery Kit from Sears. It's a pillow. Then I got some markers. So those are the markers I'm going to use on some of the kits to do an outline, so I know what to follow, because since some of it I am going to do something different than what's pictured on this part of it. Because I'm pretty sure something is not on the canvas, so it will make it easier to do if I draw it. Okay, that's done. You have a good evening now. Bye.